Today, we are going to paint half an apple. First, roughly outline its basic shape. Pay attention to the variation in the light and dark boundary lines and their weight. Observe the changes in the projection shape and its intensity. Start by unifying the light source when laying down colors for the dark areas. Pay attention to how the projection changes from front to back once the dark areas are fully done. Switch to a slightly harder pencil to paint the lit side of the apple. When it comes to the smudging step, start by smudging the light and dark boundary. Then, smudge the projection shape. Next, fold the tissue to a clean side and stack it. And gently smudge the entire surface. Also, smudge the dark background areas. For the vertical light side of the apple, gently rub it with your finger. Just lightly sweep the tone. Then, use a highlight eraser to adjust the areas you've wiped. Now, adjust the overall relationship of the painting. Shape the dark areas of the apple. When shaping, make sure your brushwork is clean and decisive. Don't hesitate. Use small brushstrokes to express the details while shaping. Did you learn it?